This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming system readiness. Check that your HP runs Windows 10 or 11 and that you have 20+ GB free. Next, enable virtualization in BIOS because emulators and subsystem features need it. Once done, update Windows and graphics drivers so the store or emulator installs cleanly. Now download the Microsoft Store components or Windows subsystem for Android installer. This first actionable step gets the required packages onto your PC. Make sure power and internet. Now you perform the core install. Open the Microsoft Store and install any required updates or add the Windows subsystem for Android via optional features. If you prefer, install a trusted Android emulator like BlueStacks. Choose based on performance and compatibility. Sign into your Microsoft account for Store apps or Google account for Android content so purchases and settings sync. Once components install, restart your HP. This step links the store environment to your user profile, which is why signing in matters. Finally, launch the store or emulator and install a simple app to verify everything works. You should set app permissions and check updates so apps run smoothly, then pin frequent apps to the taskbar for quick access. If installation fails, reset the Microsoft Store app or reinstall the Windows subsystem for Android and double-check that BIOS virtualization remains enabled. If problems persist, update drivers and rerun the installer. These troubleshooting moves fix most permission and compatibility errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.